Hi everyone, my name is Mia and today I want to tell you about my morning routine. This is what I do every day to feel fresh and ready for anything. I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. The first thing I do is smile. Yes, I smile, because a new day is a new chance. Then I stretch my arms and legs while still in bed. It feels so good. Next, I make my bed. A clean room helps me think clearly. It only takes 2 minutes. Then I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes and wash my face with cold water. It helps me wake up. After that, I do some light exercise. I stretch, do jumping jacks or a little yoga. It makes me feel strong and happy. Then it's breakfast time. I eat something healthy, like toast, eggs and fruit. And of course, I drink a big glass of water. Finally, I get dressed, comb my hair and check my to-do list. Now I'm ready for the day. And that's my morning routine. What about you? What do you do in the morning? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to practice your English every day. See you next time.